In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a process flow diagram in Miro. Whether you're mapping out a new project workflow or visualizing a business process, a flow diagram can be a crucial tool for clarity and organization. So let's dive in and get started. First, we'll head over to the Miro homepage. If you haven't done so already, log into your Miro account. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll find an array of options to explore and amplify your creative process. Now, direct your attention to the option labeled Explore Templates. This is where the magic begins, allowing us to jumpstart our flow diagram creation with professionally designed templates. Upon clicking Explore Templates, you'll notice a plethora of templates available for various purposes. However, today we're specifically focused on creating a process flow diagram. Instead of browsing aimlessly, we're going to leverage the handy search bar. Simply type in flow diagram and hit enter. Instantly, you'll see a curated selection of flow diagram templates tailored for different needs and styles. Take a moment to browse this selection. You'll find multiple templates, each with a unique layout and structure. Consider what aligns best with your project's requirements, as this choice will set the groundwork for your process mapping. Once you've found a template that resonates with your needs, go ahead and click on it. Now, you'll see the option that says Use prominently displayed. Click that and this will add the chosen template to your Miro board, making it ready for editing. This is where you can let your creativity flow. The template is flexible, allowing you to adjust and customize it according to your vision. You can modify the shapes, change colors, and add more elements that make your diagram comprehensive and personally tailored. As you edit, you can drag and drop shapes, lines, and text boxes, refining each detail to suit the specifics of your process. Ensure that each step in your flow diagram is clear and logically connected to the next. Remember, the goal is to make the process as easy to understand as possible for anyone who views it. Once you've fine-tuned your diagram, take a step back and review it. Make sure all elements are aligned properly and that the flow captures your process accurately. This diagram will serve as a guiding map for whatever project or discussion it's meant to enhance. And that's it. You've successfully created a process flow diagram in Miro. This powerful visualization tool is now ready to be shared with your team, or it can serve as a personal roadmap for future projects. Thanks for watching and happy diagramming.